This video will show the CIMC model MEC-120CN6000 automatic programmable cutoff saw, serial number 3308, manufactured in 1998 and wired for 480 volt 60 cycle 3-phase operation. The machine uses a Siemens OP7 PLC for data storage and Bosch Rexroth hydraulic components. Work vices, head feed, dual feed rollers, and tube loader are all hydraulic components. The machine features a vertical slide with a manual miter setting capability of 45 degrees left or right cutting. Equipped with a automatic loader feeder table and outfeed table, a maximum tube length of 6 meters or 236 inches can be handled. A 2 1/4, 3 horsepower spindle motor and saw blade of 250 to 350 millimeters or 10 inches to 14 inches allow cutting capacities of 4-inch round down to 1/2 inch round, 3.5 inch by 3.5 inch square, and 4.5 inch by 3 inch rectangular. Dual work vices have a maximum opening of 130 millimeters or 5 inches and a jaw height of 60 millimeters or 2 and 3.36 inches. The machine can be programmed to cut one length continuously or multiple lengths from one tube. A trim cut is performed at the start of each new tube. Upon completion of cut, the piece is ejected out the front of the machine while trim cuts are ejected out the rear. The following is a video showing the machine cutting 5 each 5-inch long pieces of 1.5 inch by 3.5 inch steel tubing from a 20-foot tube. This is a general overview of the Acme cold saw with auto loading and an ejection table. This is the back side of the machine. This is the back side of the actual cold saw cutting head. It's a vertical slide machine. Does have the capability to manually adjust for miter cutting right and left. This is the loader feeder portion of the machine. I believe it has something like will handle a 20-foot bar, which I believe is what's on there. It does have a magazine type load to where it will load the piece, the next piece onto the loader table. And this is a picture of the operator control station and the cutting head with the work vices. This is the machine. We'll be loading the piece to start the cutting process. This is the start of the first cut on the bar. Total number of pieces being cut is 5. I'm sorry.
This right here, we'll go back home.
Okay. All right.
Okay. This is your quantity right there.
Okay.
How many shots?
Okay. Pretty straightforward.
It's not.
The rest of these are more setup type of control.
Yeah. You know, like when you're ready to run, you turn that over and move the green. That's your start button.
Okay.
That's your emergency stop.
All right.
And like, say you're running it and you need to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
You just hit that.
Okay.
And it'll stop.
That's a pause.
Yeah.
Okay. And it'll start up again. And these are pressure settings for your vices and okay. And variable vice pressure.
This here is your head movement.
Head movement. Okay. Feed rate for your head.
Yeah,
all right.
Checking that out, 5-inch.
Okay, you requested 5 pieces at 5 inch, right? And that was the one of the pieces cut, and there's the 5 pieces total. All right, for the trim cut piece is ejected out the back. The last remnant piece on the bar, if you can't cut an equal number and the number of pieces for the length of the bar, that will come out the front. These are the feed rollers, and there are 2 of them. They ride on the side of the piece and push it back against the rollers at the rear to apply the pressure for having enough force to feed the bar. And they are hydraulic also. This is a shot from the back showing the feed rollers. Again, the way they mount on the bar that's being fed, and the rear rollers that the feed rollers put pressure up against to provide the friction for feeding. The bar that was in there is a 20-foot bar. This unit is the hydraulic system. We have a output tray from another machine in front of it. We'll get on this side, see if we can get a better picture. And again, the back of the cutting head. This is a picture of the machine with the safety guard down in front of the cutting area.